Hi guys, welcome back to the 12th episode of the Grow Garden series. So in today's episode, we will be finalizing the data saving. As you can see currently, we have a seed, and when we rejoin, you will see that this seed is going to be gone. It's gone, but our money still is there. And as you can see, this works, and yeah, the pennies also decline. So yeah, we need to save our tools, and yeah, that will be the first thing we will be doing today. So let's go ahead and write stuff for it. I just wanted to say, if you like what I do, if you like my content, please consider liking and subscribing to get notifications for every episode that drops and to help me out a lot. So yeah, thank you and have fun with this video. So we'll make a function in our server. Let's scroll all the way up. And let's make a function called restore tools for player, get the player. Then we want to get the profile, which is going to be equal to data manager. The profiles indexed with the player. Then if not profile or not profile.data, then return end. Profile.data tools is equal to profile.data tools or blank table. So here we do either the tools are there, which if they are, we just set them equal. And if they are not, we ensure that there's a table called tools in the data. We just pass it the table so it doesn't error out. So then for underscore, and then we want to get the old tools. And just name content in ipairs, and then an array of player.backpack and player.character. Want to do if there is content, then for underscore comma tool in ipairs. So container, yeah, not content, container. So we just get those two containers here, and we check if there is a container. If the container is valid, like if the player has a backpack, if the player has a character, then we loop through every tool in this content containers get children. So through everything in that container, and we check if the tool is a tool, then we don't want, yeah, then we want to destroy it, and then we just put an end there, and we want to do and not tool.name call match, and then we want to put x, since we want to make a tool later down the line. That also we can make this tool right now. So let's go on the starter pack. Let's make a tool. Let's rename this to Axe. And yeah, we want to just make the Axe. Oh, we just delete this currently. But yeah, we check if it's not named Axe, and then we just destroy it. Then what we want to do is we want to go out of here. Want to do local backpack list, comma character list is going to be equal to a table and table. Then local underscore comma info in ipairs profile.data dot tools do. Why is it not underscore comma info in ipairs profile.data tools? What? Oh, local, not for. Yeah, like this. Okay. If info dot location is equal to character, then table.inserts. I want to insert it into the character list, and we want to insert the info. And else, we want to do table.insert for the backpack list, the info. Like this. Then we want to sort all of the tables. So let's do table.sort. we'll sort the backpack list. We want to do sorted by function a comma b, and we want to return a dot slots or 0 is less than b dot slots or 0. And yeah, we just want to order them by the slots. Okay, I just received a call there, sorry. Well, then we want to go ahead and also sort the other table. So let's copy this. Let's not ask the AI, just paste it and then do the same for the character list. And I think we don't have to change anything else, I think. Yeah. Then let's create a helper function called local function make clone, since we... Oh, no, I don't think we need it. Maybe we need it later on. Let's do for underscore info in iPairs backpack list. Do if not info info.count or info.count is bigger than 0. Then local clone is gonna... Oh yeah, we need a helper function. Let's go ahead and do local function make clone. Just accepts the info. And then let's make this function. So we want to get the local model name. It's going to be equal to info.modelName or info.seedType. Then local template is going to be equal to replicate storage dot log tools and replicate storage dot log tools find first child model name, and then yeah, then we want to do or, and then we want to do tools folder. Find first child model name. The tools folder is just folder and replicate storage in tools. Let's get this in. Or info.ctype and plant definitions index with the info.ctype .log tool. And then if not templates, then return ends. Then local clone is going to be equal to templates and clone it. Then clone.name is going to be equal to info.name or clone.name. Yeah, then if info.ctype, then clone set attributes seed type info.seed_type, and then we just want to do the same thing for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, I think. We need to do this for the counts, so let's copy the counts, put count here, count there, wait here, wait there, then model name, then seed name and seed name, then modifier, modifier, and lastly height scale, and height scale. Then if info dot weights and info dot height scale, then local base weight going to be equal to plant definitions dot base weight or 1. Local total weight equal to base weight, then times the info dot height scale, then local weight scale equal to info dot weight divided by the total weight, then the local size scale is going to be equal to info dot height scale times the weight scale, then local model parts. So we're equal to clone and find first child, which is a model, and we put true here. Then if model parts, not name, if model part, then for underscore parts in I pairs, model part get descendants do if part is a base part, then part dot size going to equal to part dot size times the size scale. Then attach tool script for the clone. Then if info dot modifier is equal to rainbow. Well, you just want to do all your modifier call again. Local cycler is going to be equal to Roblox storage dot tool handlers with child rainbow. Oh, we all have it, don't we? We do have it. Oh, it's just oh yeah, rainbow color cycler clone tool handlers, and now it's there. Yeah, now it's there. Okay. And then cycle little parents, and it's gonna be equal to clone, and then we just want to return clone like this. Then we just want to go back down here, and the clone is gonna be equal to make clone info. Then if clone, then clone.parent is going to be equal to player.backpack, and clone.parent is going to be equal to player.starter gear. Why do we put it in the starter gear? Just so it saves. Not it saves, but it, like, if you die somehow, you have the tool again. And then yeah, we also do two characters. So if player.character, then for underscore info in my pairs character list. So here we have the backpack list and we do the character list. If not, so we can just copy the same thing here. Let's just copy and then do, yeah, we make the clone, and then we do while not player.character, and find first child, humanoid roots part, do, and we do plus await, so just wait for the thing, and then we put it in the starter gear again, and then the character. I want to make a function called local function, give default x, make this player, then local template is going to be equal to tools folder, and now let's make an axe. Let's go into the tools folder and just make a tool called axe, not xer, axe, like this. Then I'm just gonna copy my axe in there. If you don't want to do any parts, you just go here in the properties and disable recurse handle. just make sure you have this set up. I'm gonna right part of the handle, and yeah, so that's gonna be my axe. The axe is gonna be used for destroying stuff. And of course, rename this to whatever you want. And yeah, we do tools folder and find first shells. Find the axe. If not template, then we want to return end. Then if player the backpack finds first child axe, or player.character and player.character, then find first child axe, then return end. Local axe is going to be equal to template clone axe.name is going to be equal to axe, and axe.parent is going to be equal to player.backpack, and axe::clone.parent is going to be equal to player.starter gear. Let's define this as a player. And then it tells us that starter gear is not a class from the player. No problems. It should still work. Yeah. Okay, so then what we want to do is we want to just provide this in the player edit. So in the player edit, we have to encourage this one. Let's do task.defer. I want to defer a function. And the function is going to be player or child backpack. Then task.delay. 5, I want to the function to do give default x for player. I want to restore tools for player. And then we want to restore our trees. So this is what we're gonna do next. So we can try this out though. So let's go play. When you buy something, we have, as you can see, we have 5 dead seeds now because the data has been saved. And yeah, you can see that we just got our seeds back. So let's just leave and just clear our data. So let's go ahead and go to data manager, scroll all the way up. Here, let's change our data key from 0 to 1. Let's go play. And you can see we just want to buy one. We have 1, 2, 3 dead seeds. Our money got subtracted. And now it got overridden because we didn't wait 5 seconds. So let's go in. Let's wait for 5 seconds. You can see we have 1 dead seed and an axe. We can plant this too. So let's go ahead and buy like 2 more. So we have our axe. This is how my axe looks. Pretty default. You can see it gives us this tool now. We can't do anything with it yet, but we will be able to soon. So let's buy like 2 tools now. Now we have 4. Let's go leave. And then let's play again. Let's wait. Okay, so yeah, now we have 3 dead seeds. As you can see, this works and everything is fine. So now what we want to do is we want to single plant the trees. So let's go to the plant manager and make a new function for that. So plant manager, and let's scroll a bit down to like below our plant seed function, like here. Let's do a function plant manager sync planted trees for the player. This function is going to be, it's going to be okay. With proper, and we get the plots. We're going to get the plot service, so let's go up and get the plot service. The plot service is going to be in subscript service systems plot service. So let's go ahead and do subscript service systems plot service. Put this there. Oh yeah, now everything is fine. We get the plots. First, so we do got plot player, if not plots or not plots of parent, then we return end. Local spawn location is going to be equal to plots, then find first child. I want to find the spawn location, and if not spawn location, then warn plot has no spawn location, and return. Then we want to get the folder, so I'll plan the folder. So local folder is going to be equal to plots, and then find first child. I want to find planted, for instance.new folder in the plots, and then folder.name is going to be equal to planted. Local all plants is going to be equal to profile.data dot planted or a blank table. So we just again verify that this table exists. Then for underscore plant in ipairs, all plants, do if not plant definitions indexes with the plants dot seeds type. Then you want to warn and continue, and else you want to do local offset vector equal to vector3 dot new plans dot local offsets dot x plans dot local offsets dot y and plans dot local offsets dot z. And yeah, then after this we want to do local world position equal to spawn location dot cframe points to world space. I want to do offset vector. Then local model is going to be equal to self, and then spawn tree model, and we want to do to make a table thing here, and just like this. So we have the spawn tree model function up here. As you can see, we have it there. So yeah, we just passed the player. We passed the plant.seeds type. We passed the world position. We passed the folder. We passed the plant.modifier. We passed the plant.time planted. We passed the plant.height scale. And we passed the plants.tree ID. Then local dep is going to be equal to plant definitions index of the plants plant.seeds type. Then if model and workspace gets server time now minus the plants.time planted is less than def.grow time. Then we want to do self and then animate tree growth, and we want to animate the model. Oh yeah, it's probably that's gonna be it. Then let's go back to our server, and after this we want to do plant manager, and then sync plant trees and put the past play there. So now let's go play. You can see that all trees there. And if we wait for 5 seconds and get our seed and plant it here, here, and here, let's wait for them to grow. Finish growing. Let's go stop. And see that everything in all plantable saved. So you can see all of our 4 trees are there. If you now hit play again, you can see that all of our 4 trees got spawned in. And everything works. So I hope you liked today's episode. If you find any bugs, please let me know in the comments. If you like what I do, please also consider liking and subscribing. And yeah, thank you all for watching. And see you all on the next episode. Peace.